So this is a book template which I have already given you. You can see that the changes is this and some extra stuffs written here. This preamble working we will do it later. We'll say the meaning of this class and this packages. We'll dedicate one section for that later, but let us see the structure of a book. So as usual you have some preamble, begin document, and for a book you can give a title. Okay, so as usual our title will be your title will be the title which you have already given for the previous thing. So you can just copy it and make you can copy the same file, but you make the appropriate changes, that's all. And these things we will all these formattings we will do, but you should know that there is something called a make title. Say that okay, so we have this page numbering, Arabic, double spacing, all these things are coming because of a package called set space. If you put it without calling this package, it may not work. Then okay, so let me look at various things in the text file. In an article usually we don't call chapters, but in books you have chapters as well as sections. So whenever there's a chapter starting, it will be onto that right side of the book. So all those things and the pages, everything will be formatted by LaTeX according to the definitions which is called in this book argument. So we are not bothered about it. Let us try to make a simple book. It can be used to make your thesis also. Okay, so let me just copy. I will be copying the same things which we have done earlier. Okay, so chapter preface. Oh, okay. See, we have put a star here such a way that will not be included in the table of contents. So let me table of contents. So we'll just call it as table of contents. Now it will create a table of contents just after the preface. Okay, so I'm just copying the contents from our usual old article. So there is nothing new. See, do you remember this session called what is text? So okay, maybe I'll just table of contents. Okay, so first chapter will say introduction. Books are made with chapters, and the remaining contents I will be copying from the old file which we worked for the article. So I'll just simply copy it. Okay, maybe okay, introduction about a step, but is LaTeX. Then I called another chapter structure of the LaTeX document and things like that. So I will just copy the entire thing. Why we are worried? Okay, see, essentially it is the same things which is written there. Okay, I'll just copy up to this. There is a minor changes which I did. Yeah. So let us compile and see what is happening. See, I forgot to tell you that okay, I should not have done this. I should first save the file. Okay, so it's a mistake. For book, right? Okay, book. I should save the file and personalize it into my name. Okay, like that everyone should do. If two of you have the same name, what I suggest is you give a initial or something like that. maybe since it is recording, let's see how much is getting slow. Some memory buffer is happening, so that is why it's not recording it fully. So let us see the output. See, I have disabled the viewing the output here, so I'll just see. Open with the yeah, it's that slow after. Okay, let us see. So just copy the contents. Okay, let us see. Yeah, you can see a book, the front page, title, name, and things like that. You can see the next page. Okay, usually the second page will be thanks. Oh, come on, it's so slow. See, you can put the thanks here at the bottom. That all those things you have to do. Preface there, it was abstract, so I called as preface here. Then actually I made it as okay, table of contents. Okay, maybe I may have to do it twice. Okay, always run the LaTeX file 2 times. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, I should not have opened this file. Instead I should have opened documents, LaTeX for all, book R Krishna. Okay, see, these document things are made for each student. Okay, contents, why it contents it has not given the names. Oh, okay, yeah, preface, contents, table of contents. I have called table of contents, so I should give the contents. Make title, new page. Okay, page numbering, double space, preface. You should not give in fact, okay, you don't have to give wherever you call the table of contents, it will give the table of contents. Basically that is how it is. Depending upon the left and right side, it will automatically leave a page. So see, this is the things which we have done. Okay, I have made it into chapters. So this is a chapter, the second one is another chapter. You can clearly see. Okay, see, they are chapters. If you see the structure, what is this thing? New line, part section, toggle. Okay, so there is something called, okay, you can view the structure, okay, I'm sorry. So when you open the editor, you have the freedom of seeing the structure. So preface, okay, chapter. So this is a chapter, introduction. It's a chapter, section. So you can quickly go back and forth between chapters. Okay, when you use this editor. Okay, so there is a second chapter called what? Okay, structure of LaTeX, and a section, subsection. See, these are sections, introduction, table of contents. Okay, like that. Okay, so let us quickly wind up this thing. I'm just formatting using the previous. Okay, I have given an additional chapter called extra sections, and okay, yeah, this is pretty straightforward. Okay, so let us see end of the document. Before the end of the document, yeah, I have added an additional chapter called chapter C. You can clearly see this label C for chapter extra sections. Okay, see, there are usually sections like references. References is called by what? Something called a begin the big bibliography. I think I have pasted this. So you just start with begin the bibliography. See, begin the bibliography. This number gives you the maximum number which you has to take. Okay, you can give a number here, doesn't matter. Okay, and okay, let us try to see what is happening. just made the PDF file. I think I have already shown it to you. I have already sent the PDF file. So it's pretty straightforward. Okay, so let us see. Chapters will be called as chapters. Okay, so you make your own content, you make your own book, just use the same content, acknowledgement and things like that. Okay, so okay, so earlier when we called bibliography in art, in an article it is coming as references, but in book it will come as bibliography. Later on you can see that there's, see you have the index of a book, table of contents, index, all those things the LaTeX will do it automatically. So you may have to give a certain kind of, I have not given told you how to call these references. Those things we will do later when we study bibliography. Citation is called citing. Those things we will do later. So let us look at the structure of a book.